Sure, with that skull cap on. She was wondering, she didn't know if the skull cap would help make it feel a little more secure for me or not.
You look so good. You look good as a girl. Kidding, you don't look like a girl. Let's put a pink dress on you and see if you look like a girl. Now pretend you're a rock star.
You can't hold a pose for more than one blip of a second.
Guitar. No, like a rock star guitar.
Open them out. Nah. There you go.
I'm taking a movie.
Let's not trash the hair piece.
What do you think?
You look good.